Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today let's dive into the world of Ayurvedic foods and traditional diets that can ramp up your health game. So what exactly is Ayurveda? It's a 5,000-year-old system of natural healing that has its roots in India. Ayurveda is all about balancing your body's doshas, vata, pitta and kapha. Simply put, doshas are energies that make up every individual, influencing physical and mental processes. Now let's talk about the foods. Turmeric, for instance, is a powerhouse in Ayurvedic nutrition. This golden spice is packed with curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Then we have ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that helps manage stress and boosts energy levels. And don't forget about ghee. This clarified butter is not only great for digestion, but also nourishes the tissues and enhances brain function. Moving on to traditional diets that promote longevity. Ever heard of the Mediterranean diet? It's not just delicious, it's also loaded with health benefits. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, like olive oil. People in the Mediterranean region have lower rates of heart disease and live longer lives. And then there's the Okinawa diet from Japan. Folks in Okinawa are known for their remarkable longevity. Their diet is rich in sweet potatoes, tofu, seaweed, and fish, and low in red meat and refined sugars. This diet is high in antioxidants and fiber, which keeps inflammation at bay and promotes healthy aging. Now, let's talk about food as medicine. Ever heard the saying, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food"? Foods aren't just about filling you up, they can heal, prevent illness, and even boost your mental well-being. For example, blueberries are great for brain health, and leafy greens like spinach can help maintain healthy blood pressure. Incorporating these foods into your diet isn't just about living longer, but living better. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling less stressed, and knowing that your meals are nourishing your body at a cellular level. So next time you're planning your meals, think about how you can add a touch of Ayurveda or a hint of the Mediterranean or Okinawan magic. Your body and mind will thank you. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more holistic nutrition tips. Stay healthy and balanced. See you next time.